Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube intro for your videos. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to panzoid.com. Now once you are on panzoid.com, here are a bunch of templates that you can use. Now just go scroll down and click on more creations. After clicking on more creations, just scroll down and find the intro template that you like. Click on it and then click on open in Clipmaker. So after clicking on open in Clipmaker, the template that you clicked on might look a little bit weird. Just click on this little icon and then click on the play button. So that is the template that we chose. Now to customize this, just go and click on the little cube icon, and then where it says text and it says name, just click on it and put your channel name right here. Do the same for the rest of the text. Now this is how it looks after we have changed that. So if you like how it looks, then all you have to do is go to this download icon and click on mode, balanced or good quality. Now balanced is kind of a good quality, but it renders faster than this option, good quality. And then your format, and then start video render. If you want to change some more things, just go back to the cube icon and change what you need to change. So I'm just going to change some things here and then I will show you how it looks. So after I change to what I want to change, so if you want to get rid of this white screen before your intro starts, just get an editing software on your computer and just cut out the white screen. So after you changed it to how you want it, just go to the little download icon and then mode, balanced, or you can choose fastest render. But if you choose fastest render, the quality would not be as good as balanced or good quality. Now extreme quality, if you have a good computer, then I suggest you use that, but it will take a very long time. So just click on fastest render, balanced or good quality, which one you want. Then your format, just leave it on the default one and click on start video render. And then just wait right here. So after your video is finished rendering, just click on download your video. So then it will come up asking you where to save it, and then just click on where you want to save it. For me is on my desktop, and then name your file as what you want to save it as, and then click on save. Then right here it is finished downloading. So this is our final result. And if you want to get rid of this white screen before the intro, just open it in a video editing software and just cut the video 7 seconds, and there you go. And the ending screen just got the video again.